Hello and welcome back to my course Python Programming A to Z. Why to learn Python? This is really very much important question to get answer in starting of the course. So please don't skip this lecture. This is very much important for you to learn about why Python. So if we talk about Python, then Python typically saw a strong career growth. And if we see the recent surveys from the Accenture and Gartner as well, so the big data, so they all are going towards the Python skill set. The Python skill set build skills that are critical to access the higher level positions in the IT field. Why Python? Because the system administrators, technical solution engineers, and even site reliability engineers must needs be the Python skills. You must have the coding skills to get top-notch industry technical jobs. You must know how to write the code to solve the problems and automate the solution in Python. So why in Python I am emphasizing, let's see that in the deck report that developer salaries by state in 2019 in US only, if you see here, then the 110k, 100 to 110k, 90 to 100k, and less to 90k, the other things. The source is dex.com. And if we further move towards the most loved, dreaded, and wanted languages, then in 2019, Python just take over on all languages, and this is the most in-demand programming language in 2019, and it covers almost 25.1% of all work. And if we see here the dot source, the dot analysis on the more supply, more demand on the skill set, then you can see Python is lying in top skills. So here you can learn about it, like Python is most in-demand technical skill in market. Here, if we see the PYPL popularity of programming languages, then there were the two languages, the Python and Java, were dominating the technical industry, and in 2019 Python take over to the Java as per usage. Now it's showing, and by 1st March 2019 its share is 26.9% and taking over on Java. So, and also challenge the dominance, consistent dominance of the Java here. So I hope you guys got the value of Python. So thank you. I will be back with next lecture.